All right, so I am here at the Lego store in Mall of America. I have purchased a Lego Minifigure Factory box, so we're gonna make some minifigures. All right, so we got our box. Let's get cracking. So we're gonna need something red. This will work for now. Let's see what else we got. Ideally there's a suit, but I don't know if we're gonna find a suit. I think a red polo might be the best we're gonna get. So let's do maybe this on the back. Oh no, that's the front. Oh no. Oh, that's cool.
You can make it a little, how do the polos work? Like
Yeah.
a little thing on the side?
There we go. So we'll do that. And then what else? I need a shark. They gotta have sharks. Where's my shark
I
at?
love a good shark.
Let's do that.
Metal.
So then he's going to be a little
I kind of just want it on the
custom
whole
starter
shirt.
build. So you want to start with that.
I don't want to make up the whole space, so I don't know what to do here.
Also, your free draws, whatever you draw on here.
We'll do that for now. Or,
Faded here around, all that fun stuff. And then you can put in a little text box here. So we're going to put on some words.
we do this.
Color.
Here we go. This is what we need.
Once you're happy with the front side, flip it over.
Wait.
Do the
Boom.
same process on the
Boom.
back. Once you're happy
Boom.
with both of them, the green check mark.
You know what this is gonna be.
Make sure you're good with both sides. And then hit the print button. That'll send it over to my computer and I'll print it out for you.
There we go. There we go. Should we do, ooh, little Comic Sans so nobody takes me seriously?
No, don't you call me Sam.
Let's see what we got. I'm thinking that.
You can
Oh,
change it to
no.
black, you know. I think. Yeah.
Is that, where's black?
I think you're on.
No, it's on black. It's on black. Okay. Check. Can we? There we go. There we go. All right. What else should we add? I feel like we need more decorations on the back. Ooh, I could add a tie to the front.
There you go.
I think I should add
That
a.
gives suit.
I should add a tie to the front. Ooh, shark! We missed it. There we
Oh
go.
my god.
There we go. Let's spin around. Let's do tie. Where is it? Did I miss it?
I think he looks good.
I don't know. It's kind of crooked. I would.
just like you.
I would never wear my tie like that. It's too crooked.
Check it out.
Oh, we're up there. Let's go. Let's go. All right. So here's our options for some accessories here. I'm thinking this one's calling me already. It's right out front. A little boom box. Otherwise, looks like there's some shields, maybe some fairy wings. If I'm feeling a little fantastical. Otherwise, bow and arrow, maybe scissors. We'll see. So I got the boom box here for my accessory, and this is kind of the closest face that looked like me. So here we go. This is Miss Stud's face in a hat here. So we're gonna finish making these minifigures. All right. So now it is Miss Stud's turn to pick out her minifigure. So let's see what she comes up with. So what are we going for here?
I don't know. I don't think anything fits the vibe of the hairpiece that I picked.
Well, you need a pirate top.
They don't have a pirate.
I think that's pirate right there.
That's not a captain's top. That's,
No, but it's pirate.
No. I can just switch the hairpiece when we're home.
I saw other pirate ones. There are pirate ones that exist. I saw others. Maybe go the other way. Maybe I was wrong. I think, okay, that one's, it's not captain, but it's pirate.
I don't like it.
Okay, then we'll
We're
find
only
something
doing
else.
this one, so.
Okay, now it is time to do the back and then pick some stickers. Are you gonna paint?
Yeah. I'm gonna add a heart.
Oh, I see what you're doing here.
Yeah.
It's almost perfect. She just needs to make it red. You wanna make the paint red too? You can do that.
I don't want it to be red.
Okay.
We've gone through with it.
So I wanted to recap our minifigures right after we got out of the store. but we went to lunch and then we went to a whole bunch of other stores. So if you know the Mall of America, you know there's like a million things to do. So we kind of got sidetracked. So now it's about midnight. We're in the hotel room, so we can finally go over our minifigures here. So like you saw when we were in the store, this is the little box they give you. You go up to the little machine, you scan this in, and then you start doing your figure. So here's the grand reveal of mine here. So it's kind of cool. They give you this little area here for your little brick with your name on it and everything, and then you got your figure there. And it's nice on the printed brick with your name on it. They also have where you did it. So you can see here it says Mall of America there, Lego Mall of America. So I'm sure if you did this at like Disney, it would say Lego Disney Springs or something like that. So that's a cool little detail that they put on there, so that way you can commemorate where you got it. So here's the final version of my minifigure here. So they didn't really have any hair. That was perfect for me. They didn't really have much for brown or anything. So I ended up just getting this pirate hat to match my girlfriend's minifigure here, which is kind of pirate themed as well. You saw she did that little compass, the handkerchief, and the pirate kind of belt and shirt there. So she kind of went for a pirate theme. So I kind of went for it too, even though the boombox kind of throws it off a little bit. But no perfect hair for me, so I kind of just went with the pirate hat. And you can barely see it. It looked much bigger on the screen when I did it, but you can see there it says Lego Mall of America on the left of my breast pocket there. You can barely see it, but it's there and I know what it is, so that's really all that matters. Then of course we got that tie that I put on there, and then on the back we got our stud scribe with a Lego skull and a shark there. So I really like how the back turned out. I wish I could read what the front said a little bit more, but it's still pretty good nonetheless. And then of course we have the perfect thing to put on the back of your minifigure here. This is what my girlfriend put on the back of hers. It was her idea, I promise. I didn't make her say this, but it was pretty cool how she did this. And at first I thought that it was going to come out a little bit worse because of how small the font was there and the ink there, but this printed out really well. So they do have really good printers for these minifigures, so it definitely came out super well. All the decals and all the words and everything looks really good. So that's it for our Minifigure Factory experience. Hope you liked it. It's a really cool thing to do, especially if you have a Lego store in your area that does it. Not all of them do, only really the bigger flagship stores do. I know my local store doesn't do it because it's just one of the smaller ones, but if you're nearby one of the bigger ones, they definitely do it. And I know they had it available online for a while. They took it away and now it was back up again, but it's like all out of stock. So if you can't go in person, just keep checking on the website and maybe you can do it online too. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.